up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today I'm back at the yard. Now this yard I've been to in a couple weeks. I want to show you this G6. This thing has some really nice seats. I believe that's part of it. Yeah, it looks like it. Got like these cream seats. That's really nice. And it's a two-door. I mean, a lot of stuff broken on it, but like that switch, I can get that off another one, any one of them, the same switch. I really like that. It's more like a cream color. Someone took the back seat, unless I can find it outside somewhere. But there ain't no rips. I mean, it's a little wear because it's the driver's seat. You got wear here when you get out. But I'd never seen this color. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's the bottom. Oh, and that's the back right there. What the fuck did they do? So I can't tell if someone's like stashing drugs in there or did someone just cut the seat? I mean, that would have been a nice seat. Anyway, at least I know they're out there. We're back at this Caprice. This is an 87 Caprice Classic. And I mean, it has Euros, but it's broken. This little latch right here, trunk emblem. The spring's broken. I mean, you probably could fix that spring. And to get this off, you just need to drill these two rivets. And I usually take a scraper and pry it off. I already got one of those. And on the inside, you know, the driver switch is always gone. As people always want. They ripped out the entire, basically the whole passenger side of the dash, which I've never seen it that far. I don't know what they're looking for, but that got ripped out. It's like everything they took out, they broke. They broke the dash pad. They took the front clip off, and then they broke that. The windshield's still good. Don't look to be cracked. And everything in the engine's pretty much there. Maybe minus the alternator. No, that's there too. I think the trunk, or I mean the hood, no, they got a little thing right there. But yeah, ain't really nothing I want on this. I just came to check it out. Anthony Griffin, he did a video with the trunk release. So I was trying to see maybe this thing had it. But this one just has a regular pull handle. I was looking for the button. But moving on to the next one. Over here we got an old Monte Carlo. I think it's 84. And this one got hit pretty good. Engine's still there. A lot of stuff in the interior got torn apart, so it's really kind of hard to tell what they took. Seats and everything still there, seat belts, all the trim. They took the headliner. Door panel's still there. I don't know if Ellis needs some parts off this. They took the windows out. Trunk's super clean. That was a nice paint. Yeah, a lot of things still on here. Hopefully it's not too wind. The wind just picked up when I started to film. But anyway, we're gonna see what else is out here. That's the only two old cars I came to look at. Everything else is like a G6. You have this little, got a Caprice back here, like a 90s. It's pretty torn up. Get your bubble. But yeah, it's hot. Let me see what else I can find for y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. Man, the other yard, my phone started fucking overheating because I didn't know it was like 91 degrees outside. We're gonna hit this other yard. We up here now and see what they got, because the other one didn't really have anything I wanted, so that's how it'll be some time out in the yard.